How to renew car insurance policy? It is quite simple to renew your car insurance online. Follow these steps for policy renewal. If you are an existing customer, then you can visit the insurer's website or else visit www.policybazaar.com. Choose the type of insurance you need. Enter your details and vehicle information. Select add-ons such as zero depreciation, engine protection, NCB Protect. Make payment. Review your policy document. Visit www.policybazaar.com, where you get to compare and choose from a wide range of car insurance policies. So, before buying car insurance, compare and save on policybazaar.com.